Hello students. I wanted to post a video early in the semester to better explain my approach to the discussions. And as you see on the screen here, using your personal experience to explain and understand adolescent development, that's really my approach to really helping you gain an understanding of the material, but also to be able to talk professionally about it. What you will notice through many of the discussions is that I consistently ask you to think about your own personal experience or that of a close friend or relative to answer the question. Now, I'm not doing that to make you think or suggest that your anecdotal experience is what's going to help you explain or understand everyone's experience. That's not the case at all. Rather, what research shows is that when people can relate the material or content to their own personal experience, they're able to better understand it and be able to recall it later. So essentially what I want you to do is use the text to think about your own personal experience, but also understand that this may not explain everyone's experience. This is to help you better understand it. And as you move through the semester and the rest of your adolescence, if you're in that phase, and certainly later in life if you are working with youth or parenting youth, to think about the broader implications of what you read. Yes, you can talk about your own gendered experiences to help you understand gender experiences, but you can also use that material to say this may not be what other people experience. This is my experience, and I'm open to other people having different experiences than what I experienced. Okay, so yes, I'm asking you to think about your own personal experience, but always keep in mind that there are a multiplicity of experiences across different adolescents. And what we want to be able to think about is, yes, this is my experience. Now that I understand the content, the developmental concept, now I can think more broadly about what other people may experience. So that's why I take this approach. I think it helps you to understand the material better and engage with it, but also keep in mind that you want to read other people's experience or experiences, and that may or may not align with what you experience. But I want you to be able to talk professionally about it, and that's the key. That's why I ask you to think about your own or a close friend or a person in your inner circle, their experience. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I will respond and try to answer any questions or concerns you may have. Thanks, and I look forward to a great semester.